Winter arrives softly here in Belgium. It is bringing quiet moments. This new coat needed a shawl, and as I never tried my turn on Freeform, I thought this would be a good idea. At first, I needed to create my color palette. Each color finds its place. It's a gentle whisper of warmth and comfort. Here I am, just crocheting and taking my time. There's no rush. It's nice to sit quietly with the process, to let the work grow naturally. Each stitch is very simple, but together they start to form something. I can feel the rhythm in my hands as it helps me to slow down. I focus on one small thing at a time. I think about the coat, the colors, how it all will come together. But mostly I just watch the rhythm of the stitches and how the pattern grows. I watch the yarn move through my fingers, the pattern slowly appearing. Focusing on the motion and my breath makes everything else fade away. I notice my shoulders relaxing, my mind quieting, and sometimes I think about how the shawl will look when it's finished, the way it will wrap around me. But mostly I just stay here, breathing, making, and watching the work unfold. There's a quiet rhythm in this, a steady pace that helps me slow down and be fully present in this moment. Up close, you can really see all the small details, the texture, the loops, the way the yarn slides through my fingers. I try to keep my breathing slow and steady and letting each inhale and exhale match the rhythm of my hands. It goes naturally. Every stitch is a small act of care, and noticing the tiny changes as the piece grows feels grounding. I let myself be fully present here, focusing only on the yarn, the movement, and the quiet of this moment. It reminds me that progress doesn't have to be fast or perfect. There's calm in repetition, in watching something slowly take shape under my hands. I notice my breath, my hands, the texture of the yarn, and I feel a sense of ease. Just making, just being, one stitch at a time. These pieces are ready, but not assembled yet. Will get there. But for now, it's okay to leave them like this. Letting it grow is part of the process.